Arbitrationagreements.org. Mediation is a popular alternative dispute resolution method used to resolve conflicts outside of court. It involves a neutral third party called a mediator, who helps the parties find a mutually agreeable solution. In this video, we will explore the importance of a mediator's opening statement in the mediation process. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics. The mediator's opening statement serves as a guide for the mediation process. It usually starts with an introduction of the mediator, followed by a brief explanation of the mediation process and its rules. The mediator then sets the tone for the mediation session by establishing the purpose of the meeting, which is to help the parties resolve their dispute in a fair and impartial manner. The mediator also explains the importance of confidentiality and that everything discussed during the mediation session is confidential. This encourages the parties to speak openly and freely about their concerns without fear of repercussions. The opening statement also outlines the roles and responsibilities of the parties involved, emphasizing that they should cooperate and act in good faith during the process. The mediator may also address any potential issues that may arise during the mediation process and how they will be handled. Without question, the mediator's opening statement plays a very crucial role in the mediation process. It sets the tone, establishes the purpose of the meeting, outlines the rules and procedures, and encourages cooperation and open communication. It also helps the parties feel more comfortable and confident about the mediation process. If you want to learn more information about mediation or access a new program, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Our association does not provide legal advice, but call us if you or your business want to open a new account or case. Also, what do you think about a mediator's opening statement? Do you see it as a good step toward resolving a disagreement? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about the law that can help your business succeed.